السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته حبايبي طلاب Primary 6. أهلا وسهلا بيكم with you Mr. Mohamed elnady. Today inshallah I'll complete Unit 10 Unit Rate and Percent Concept 3 Understand Percent. Lesson 7 Exploring Percent. طيب ايه بقى حبايبي فكرة what is the percent؟ ايه يا مستر موضوع البرسنت دوت؟ حاجة جديدة لازم تعرفها، حاجة برضو ليها ريليشن بالايه؟ بالريشيو. الديفينيشن بتاعتها a percent is a ratio its second term is 100. يبقى هو نفس شغل الريشيو بتاعنا، بس لازم يكون السكند تيرم بتاعتنا تكون 100، يعني يكون any number over 100 هنعمل له change into percent. So a percent means per 100 that's over 100 or hundredths. طول عمرنا عارفين لما يكون في الفراكشن over a number in the denominator 100 so it's called the hundredths. Okay. طيب تمام. For example, in a school if the ratio of the number of 6th grade students to the number of all students is 3 to 20. طيب احنا عارفين ان 3 to 20 equals what؟ قال لك we try to change this 20 into 100. How, mister? By making it times by 5. So up, make it times by 5. So 3 by 5 equals 15. So the answer it will be 15 over 100. So 3 over 20 as the same of 15 hundredths. يبقى 15 per 100. طيب ايه بقى يا مستر برضو البرسنت؟ طالما عرفنا ان هي 100 قال لي بعد كده هنحولها لتشينج into 15 over 100 into 15%. تلاقي ان الساين بتاعتها لاين وهنا في 2 O's or 2 zeros كأنها شبه ال 100 بس ده لاين وفي 0 0. اللاين ده كأنه pair وهنا كأنهم ايه 2 zeros or 2 dot. It's called 15%. يبقى ال 15 over 100 we change into 15%. Okay? So you can say that 15% of the students of the school are in the 6th grade. طبعا البرسنت حبايبي بتشوفوه كتير جدا في حياتنا، تلاقي مثلا في سيل موجود، في اوفر موجود، في اي حاجه، في فات موجود بنستخدم فيه البرسنت. يبقى البرسنت موجود كتير في حياتنا ونبدا نشوف how can we use it. مهمتنا بقى في الليسون ده ازاي يا مستر بقى نعمل change fraction or decimal into percent. How can you have percent and convert into fraction or decimal؟ ده بقى نبدأ نتدرب عليه في الليسون بتاعنا. طيب describe 100%, 50%, 25%. What does it mean؟ بقول له 100% it means 100 over 100 that is equals 1. It means that 100% of a quantity denotes the whole quantity. تمام يعني كأنها ايه 100% equals 1. طيب what does it mean؟ that هاني answered 100% of the question. يعني ايه 100% of the question؟ يعني he finished all the question. Okay. يبقى that means هاني answered all the question in mathematics. طب 50% يعني 50 over 100 it means 1 over 2 يعني half. Okay, that you finished half of the pizza. طب 25% it means 25 over 100 it means 1 over 4. Okay. طيب يبقى دي برضو بنسميها ايه quarter. يبقى 25% at the same of quarter, 50% at the same of half, 100% at the same of 1. طيب if I want to compare to 50% هنلاقي ان ال 55% it's greater than 50. 50% it's exactly half of the dish is full. 45% it means that it's less than half of the dish is full. يبقى 50% this is the half. 55% it's more than half. 45% it's less than half. Some models of percent. First, one shaded square represents 1%. This shade لما تلاقيه عامل كده تلاقي you have 100 square and you colored only one, so it means that it's called 1%. Then next, 12 shaded square represent 12%. Like that here that you count how many shaded square here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's called 12%. Here 100 shaded square it means 100%. Here 1 it's not 1 it's a half of 1. يبقى we can write 1 over 2 or we can write 0.5%. percent. يعني مش لازم whole number يا مستر، لا ممكن تكتب بشكل decimal or fraction. طيب here هنا يا مستر في 100 finished and here you have 56 so it will be 156%. تمام تمام. يبقى percent ممكن يكون whole number، ممكن يكون decimal or fraction percent، أو ممكن maybe number more than 100. Okay, first question. يلا بينا نعمل converting a decimal into a percent. طيب convert each of the following decimals into a percentage that you have 0.3. To convert into percentage, 0.3 at the same of 3 over 10. It means 30 over 100. وطالما عرفنا نخلي second number as 100 so it will be 30%. طيب في ميثود تانية يا مستر قال لي قال لي ممكن ناخد ال 0.3 و any number or fraction you want to change into percent بس تروح تعمل له times by 100 واول ما اعمله times by 100 so move a decimal point 2 places so put here extra so it will be 30%. يبقى يا مستر نعمل ايه؟ كل اللي انا هعمل له معايا decimal number or a fraction we can make multiply by 100 and put a percent sign. So if you have 0.099 so you can write it 99 over 1000 or 099. Okay, then we can change or we can make here move decimal point 2 places. يبقى 0.099 move 1 2 so it will be 9.9%. Letter C, 1.27. How can we change? Only make multiplying by 100. If I want to change it into percent, if you want to change it into percent, what will we do? Only we will make times by 100. Change it into percent, make times by 100. So 1.27 times 100, it's 127. Letter D, 0.625 times 100, it's 62.5. Converting a fraction into a percent. Example 2. Here he said for you convert into a percentage 2 over 5. طيب ازاي يا مستر ممكن ناخد الفراكشن دوت ونعمل له change into percent؟ بقول له يا اما هنعمل times 100 على طول يا اما we try to change the denominator into 100. يعني هاخد كل fraction قدامي ونحاول نعمل change الدينومينيتور into 100. عرفنا it's okay يبقى number up equal how many percent. طيب ما عرفناش يبقى امسك الفراكشن زي ما هو بس مجرد نعمل له times by 100. تعالوا نشوف كده. لو انا معايا 2 over 5 so we can change 5 into 100 by multiplying by 20. So we will do times by 20 up and down. So it will be 40 over 100 that it will be 40%. Or we can take this 2 over 5 and make multiplying by 100. طب يا مستر ازاي؟ فبقول له اهو times by 100. When I do times by 100 I make only numerator that it will be 200 divided 5. 200 divided 5 it will be 40. So it will be 40%. Letter B. If you have 8 over 25 what will we do? Our 25 we can change it into 100 by 4. So 25 times 4 it's 100 and 8 times 4 it's 32. So it will be 32%. Or we can times only 100. Don't forget, only will make the numerator by 100. So 800 divided 25. We can do long division about it. That's 800 divided 25. And you start to make divide. So 80 divided 25, it will be 3. Because 3 by 25, it's 75. And they make minus, remainder 5. Then put 0. 50 divided 25, it's 2. تمام تمام. Then we can make subtraction and finish it. So the answer it will be 32%. طيب letter C it's 3 over 8. طيب يا مستر can we change it into percent؟ قال لي يا مستر if I do 8 by 125 up and down so it will be 1000. طب 375 over 1000 it means 0.375. Then I will do by 100. او واحد تاني يقول لي طب يا مستر ما انا كنت ممكن اقول 3 by 100 divided by 8 so it will be 300 over 8. It's okay now. Okay. طيب يلا بقى نعمل ايه يا مستر هنا؟ قال لي 300 over 8 and start to make divide. ادي 300 divided by 8. 30 divided 8 it's 3 because 3 by 8 it's 24. then make minus remainder 6, then put 0. 6 divided 8, the nearest it's 7 because 7 by 8 it's 56. make minus remainder 4. طب وبعدين قال لي put extra decimal point here and here and put extra 0, so it will be 40. 40 divided 8 it's 5, so it will be 0 0 down. So the answer it will be 37.5. يبقى مستر الرول بتاعتنا if you can do change the denominator into 100, it's go on make up and down by the same number. If you can, so you can take fraction or a decimal, ممكن تاخد الفراction or the decimal number and do it multiplying by 100. ممكن نعملها multiplying by a 100 only the numerator, then you can do divide at the end to change into percent. Next, طب how can we change percent into a fraction? Okay, it's easy. If you have 27%, how can I change it into fraction? It will be easy. 27% equal 27 over 100. But take care, is it for you in simplest form that maybe in some question you can make divide up and down by the same number. 27 over 100 at the same. Letter P 1%, it means 1 over 100. Letter C 25%, it means 25 over 100. طب نعمل ايه يا مستر؟ قال لي we can do divided by 25 up and down because 25 divided 25 it's 1. 100 divided 25 it's 4. يجي واحد صاحبنا يقول لي طب ليه يا مستر عملتش كده فوق؟ اقول له لان ال 100 I can't do it divided by 27 or there is no common factor between them. Letter D 12% equals 12 over 100. Then we can do divided by 4. It will be 3 over 25. Letter E 6 and 2 over 3%. It means the mixed number over 100. It means that divided by 100. Okay. Then we can start to change a mixed number into fraction. How? Make multiply then plus. طيب تمام. So 16 by 3 equals 48 plus 2 it's a 50. So this mixed number change into fraction, it's 50 over 3 divided 100. طب يا مستر KCF, don't forget that we can use 50 over 3 divided change into multiply and the 100 it will be 1 over 100. Then you start to make simplify. Divided 5 it's 1 and here divided 50 it's 2, so it will be 1 by 1 it's 1 and 3 by 2 equals 6. يبقى هنا ال 50 عملنا لها divided 50 it's 1 وهنا عملنا divided 50, so this mixed number with percent equals 1 over 6. Converting a percent into a decimal. طب ينفع يا مستر نغيرها نخليها decimal؟ خلي بالك في الفراكشن انا كاني عملت divided by what؟ divided by 100. يبقى لما يكون معايا percent وعايز اغيره لفراكشن or decimal مجرد بنعمل ايه divided by 100. But in the opposite to change into percent I will do multiplying by 100. طيب قبل ما ابدا الكويستشن لو لسه عملتش لايك للفيديو لو سمحت اعمل لايك للفيديو عشان يوصل لاصحابك. طيب next one, convert each of the following percentage into a decimal. طيب 15% we can change into decimal, it's easy because it's 15 over 100. You know 15 over 100, so you have 2 zeros, so move decimal point to decimal pack, so it will be 0.15. Next 4.2%, it will be 4.2 over 100. It means we can move 0.2 to decimal back, so it will be 0.042. Okay, without percent. طب 12 quarter يا مستر. 12 quarter it means that it's 12.25. قلنا في اول فيديو ان الكوارتر يعني 0.25 اللي 25%. طيب 12.25 over 100, then we can move decimal point 2 places back, so it will be 0.1225. تمام. امال ايه يا مستر هنا كانت 100 وهنا بقت 10000؟ هو بس طلع الديسيمال بوينت 2 places forward وراح كتب مكانهم 820 كانه عمل باي 100 up and down عشان يخليه بس whole number وبعدين يرجع يعمل ايه go back again with a decimal point. طب وليه؟ انا معايا النمبر زي ما هو وهعمل له divided by 100, so move back 2 places and put the decimal point. So a suit has a sign saying that it's made of cloth with 35% cotton and the rest is wool. طب يعني انا قلت لك معاك suit في made of cloth 35% and the rest. الريست ده من كام يا مستر؟ دايما بيكون عندنا الحاجه الفول بيكون 100%. طيب هو 35% of cotton, so we will do it minus by 35%, so it will be 65%. تمام. يبقى the sum of percentage of all contents of this clause should be equals to 100%. Example 5. Choose the correct answer from those given. If the percentage of a success in a school is 76%, then the percentage of failure type. In the school we have the student may be success or failures، يا ناجح يا ساقط. طيب ليه حاجة تاني؟ قال لي لا، المفروض ان التوتال بتاعهم يكون 100%. تمام. قال لي بقى ايه؟ ان البرسنتيج اوف سكسس is 76%. يبقى الفيلر كام؟ يبقى هنعمل subtract يا مستر عشان نعمل complete للنمبرز بتاعتنا. So 100 minus 76 equals what؟ equals 24%. ليه؟ عشان 76 plus 24 it will be 100%. طيب letter B 1 minus 15% plus 55% equals what؟ طيب 15% to 55% together it will be 55 and 15 it will be 70. طيب لما يكون معانا 1 minus 70% اللي خلي بالك we can't do addition or subtraction between whole number and percent. لازم يكونوا هما الاثنين نفس الحاجه، يا اما هما الاثنين percent يا اما هما الاثنين whole number. طب انا اعرف ازاي؟ قال لي هو الانسر عايزه ايه؟ قال لي عايزه يكون percent. قال لي يبقى كل الكويستشن لازم يكون percent. طيب ال1 دي how can we change into percent؟ ما تنساش to change a number into percent or a fraction or a decimal make multiply by 100. So 1 it will be 100% minus 7% that it will be 30%. طيب letter C 90% minus 22% plus 43. We can first make addition between them. That 22 plus 43 equals 20 plus 40 it's 60 and 2 plus 3 it's a 5, so it will be 65. Then we can make 90 minus 65, all of them it's percent, so it will be 10 minus 5 it's 5 and 8 minus 6 it's 2, so it will be 25%. طب يا مستر في الانسر هنا مفيش 25%. 25% يعني 25 over 100 اللي هي المفروض عندنا equals to quarter. In the next, use 10 by 10 grids to model each percent. طيب معانا 38%. How can we grade it? It's easy. We can color the first. It's 10, then 20, then 30. Then start to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. بس كده خلاص؟ بس كده خلاص يا مستر. كده يبقى عملنا الكالرنج اللي هو عاوزه مني. تمام؟ طيب ال 5% نفس النظام count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. يبقى احنا كده عملنا الكالرنج بس لل 5 part. يبقى انا كده خلصت ال 5%. طيب 12 and a half يبقى هناخد 10 كلهم 1 2 وناخد من ديت ايه الهاف ليها بس هي اللي نعمل لها ايه coloring والباقيين full dash full color. تمام. Okay. Next one, express each shaded area as a percent, as a fraction in simplest form and as a decimal. طيب okay, percent, this is the first. Then we want to change it into fraction. Fraction, it means that it's over 100. Then we change it into decimal. So count, here you have 10 and the 10 it's a 20 and the 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So it will be 36%, or we can write 36 over 100 and you can put it in simplest form and in decimal it will be 0.36. طب ازاي يا مستر simplest form? For example, we can make divided by 4. Okay, so 36 over 100. We can make divided by 4 up and down. So 36 divided 4 it's 9 and 100 divided 4 it's 25. Type letter P, percent. How can we do it? Here if you count you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So you have here 84%, that in the fraction it will be 84 over 100 and the decimal it's 0.84. وما ننساش كمان ال 84 over 100 we can change into a simplest fraction, for example by making divided by 2 or divided by 4 also. If we do it divided by 4 up and down like that, so it will be 8 divided 4 it's 2 and 4 divided 4 it's 1. 100 divided 4 it's 25, so it will be 21 over 25. طيب write each percent as a fraction. طب how can we write it as a fraction? It's easy, mister. Only we can write 65 over 100, or also we can make divided by 5 up and down. So it will be 100 divided 5, it's 20, and the 65 divided 5, 6 divided 5, it's 1, and the remainder 1, 15 divided 5, it's 3. So in simplest form, it's 13 over 20. Letter B, 18%. So it means that it's 18 over 100. Then we can make divided by 2, so it will be 9 over 50. Yalla, the next, 34%, so it will be 34 over 100 divided by 2, so it will be 17 over 50. طيب 4%, it means that it's a 4 over 100, and you can make divided by 4, so it will be 1 over 25, because 100 divided 4 it's 25, and 4 divided 4 it's 1. طب mister, what about 100%? It means 1, because it's 100 over 100 equals 1. The next, 140 over 100. So first you can cancel 0 with 0, and divided 2, it will be 7 over 5. 155%, so it's over 100. Then we can make divided by 5. So 15 divided 5, it's 3, and the 5 divided 5, it's 1, and down it will be 20. Type 12.5%, it means 12.5 over 100. Then see, we can write it as 125, يعني make up and down by 10, so it will be down 1000. طب ليه يا مستر بقى المره دي عملت باي 10؟ عشان نمشي البوينت اللي ما عندنا نطلعها move 1 decimal to right. طيب يبقى عملنا ايه؟ 12.5 by 10 it's 125 over 1000. Then we can make divided by, for example, we can make divided by 5, it's okay. We can make divided by 25. Me also, I can make divided by 125, because I know that 125 divided 125 it's 1, and 1000 divided 125 equals 8. مهم جدا في numbers تحفظ هم friends اللي هم 2 by 5 اللي هم equals 10, 4 by 25 it's 100, 8 times 125 equals 1000. الفريندز دول هتستخدمهم كتير جدا، فاعرف دايما لما تشوف ال 8 وال 125 يديك 1000. 1000 divided 125 it's 8, 1000 divided 8 is 125. These numbers are very important and you will use it more. Next, how can we change it into percent, this percent into a decimal? So it will be 42%. It means that it's a 42 over 100. That is means 0.42. طب 9%, it means 9 over 100, so it means 0.09. Next, 8.3%, so it over 100, that is mean 0.083. Why? Because we move back to decimal. طيب تمام. 124 over 100. طيب move back 2 digit, so it will be 1.24. Next one, 45.7, so it will be 0.457. that I go back 2 places. 0.7 go back 2 places, it will be 0.007. Why? Because we move back 2 places. It's 1, 2. Don't forget. So 2 places, it's 1, 2. So I put here 0, then decimal point. تمام تمام. طيب half percent, half دي يا مستر يعني 0.5 اصلا، فلما اعمل لها divided by 100, so it will be moved like 0.005. Next one, 2 and 3/4%, it means it's a 2. 3/4, it means that it's 2.75. طيب percent, so I move decimal point 2 places back, that it will be 0.0275. طيب how can we write a decimal as a percent? Only we will do by 100. معلش يا حبايبي انا طولت عليكم شويه، بس عشان نتدرب على الفكره دي كتيره، لان فكره ال lesson of the percent لازم تتدرب عليه كويس. So it will be 63 here only, also times by 100, so it will be 52.4. Don't forget times يعني move to right 2 places. 0.8 يبقى move 2 places, so it will be 80%. don't forget to write a sign of the percent. 0.07, it means that it will be 7% because I moved to decimal. 1.24, it means that it's 124%. Here move 2 digits, so it will be 22.22%. Here move 2 digits, so it will be 2.18%. And here move 2 places, so it will be 0.4%. تمام؟ يبقى change into percent, only make times by 100. طيب مستر, if you have a fraction like 2 over 5, زي ما اتفقت معاك, if you can change the second number into 100 by making it times by 20 up and down, it's okay. So it will be 40 over 100, that it will be 40%. Again, 20 we can change into 100 by making by 5, so I will do up and down by 5, so it will be 45 over 100, that it will be 45%. Next one, 4 we can change into 100 by using the friends, it's 25, that times by 25 up and down, so 3 by 25 it's 75 over 100, so it will be 75%. Letter D. طب ازاي يا مستر 25 change into 100? If I do it times by 4 up and down, so 7 by 4 28 and down it's 100, so the answer it will be 28%. طيب يا مستر ال 8 ممكن نعملها change؟ قال لي لا ما اقدرش. طب هنعمل ايه يا مستر؟ اقول له طيب في فكره تانية، ممكن نعمل الفراكشن ده كله multiplying by 100 بس كده. قال لي يبقى equal 500 over 8، وبعدين نروح بقى نعمل الديفايد بتاعتنا اللي هي 500 divided by 8. تمام. وبعدين هقول له كده 50 divided 8 nearest it's 6 because it's 48, make minus remainder 2 and put 0 down, so 20 divided 8 the nearest it's 2 because 2 by 8 it's 16 minus remainder 4, then put decimal point and extra 0, so 40 divided 8 it's 5, so here it's 40 minus 0 0, so the answer it will be 62.5%. تمام. طيب 7 over 40 اللي برضه ممكن نقول ان احنا هنعمل times by 100 واقول له equal cancel 0 with 0, so it's 7 by 10 divided 4 يعني 70 divided 4, ونبدأ نروح نعمل لها divide. ادي 70 divided 4 equals what? 70 divided 4, the nearest 7 divided 4 it's 1 and here it's 4, make minus remainder 3 and put 0, so 30 divided 4 it's 7 because 7 by 4 it's 28 and make minus remainder 2, put decimal point and extra 0, 20 divided 4 it's 5, make minus 0 0, so the answer it will be 17.5%. طب مستر what about letter G? It's 37 to 50, it means 37 over 50. طب قال لي يا مستر 50 we can change into 100 by making it times by 2, so it will be down 100 and the 37 by 2 it will be 2 by 7 14, 4 carry up 1 and the 2 by 3 6 and the 1 it's 7. تمام. يبقى 2 by 7 14 and carry up 1, 2 by 3 6 and 1 it's 7 and it will be 74%. يبقى لو اقدر اغيرها على طول it's okay، ما اقدرش نعمل ايه multiplying by 100. طيب 9 over 5 ال 5 has a friend it's 20، تقدر تغيرها لل 100 اقول له خلاص تمام يبقى نعمل by 20 على طول. That's 5 by 20 it's 100 and 9 by 20 it's 180 because 9 by 2 it's 18, so it will be 180%. يبقى انت تدربنا اهو how can we change a fraction or a decimal into percent by making it multiplying by 100 او بحاول اخلي الدينومينيتور يكون فيه 100 عشان نغيره into percent، والopposite لو هو percent وعايز اغيره لاي حاجه كل اللي هنعمله بنعمل divided by a 100. كده اكون حبايبي خلصنا لسون النهارده. Thanks a lot for your watching. See you ان شاء الله in the new video. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته.